Valentine's Day box. My kid wants to have a horse head for a Valentine's Day box. So, got my supplies here. And I got a big box. We're gonna cut up this box, shape it like a horse head, and then I'm gonna call my kid up here and we're gonna decorate it together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the box. So I've got the horse head and the nose drawn out. I'm just gonna cut it out now. So now we're just cutting a hole for where the candy's gonna be able to go in the back of the horse head. Okay, we made one rectangle to be able to put behind the back of the horse head. Now I've got some hot glue. We're gonna just glue that together. We're gonna glue the other side on. Next, we have a small rectangle that we're gonna put on the front of the head. All right, so now we are gluing the front of the nose together with the other piece. So we just have a small rectangle. We're gonna glue that and then get the other side. We're gonna glue the top on. I got the nose a little bit too narrow on the head, but we're gonna cover that up with fabric anyways. So I'm gonna glue the top part together and then we will cover up that gap with the fabric later. Make sure cardboard to curve. You just take it on the edge of a counter and just rub it across, and that makes it a little bit more flexible to be able to bend with you. Now we got the top of the nose and head. We're just gonna glue that on there. All right, we have the shell of the horse made. Now we are just going to wrap it in material and we will add the hair and face. Okay, I've kind of went around and pre-cut some of the fabric so we can then just kind of wrap this as best as we can. So I need you to put a glue strip all the way around the edge, and then we're going to attach the fabric to that. I've got my horse head all covered, and I cut out the hole in the back and then just glued around the edges there. And now I've got a piece of cardboard that I've got to do for the horse mane that I'm going to use to cover up a lot of this extra edges. And then once we get to the point of decorating them, we'll put some of the horse tack around here to cover up some of the seams as well. So I'm going to put this around like this. And then once I get it done and enough hair that I feel like that's a good amount, then I'm just going to cut across the bottom and we'll have all the same length hair. Okay, so we have glued the horse hair all around. And now we're just kind of trimming it up. So I took the glue and then just glued on the pieces around the back as well. And now he just needs to get his tack and his eyeballs. I had an old dog leash that I've actually just sewn the edge around to then make a rein for the horse. And then I just sewed the edges together. And my next step I have is to give this little fella some eyeballs. So I got material that I've cut out in an oval shape and then just the black piece. And I'm gonna hot glue the black piece onto the white one, and then we will stick it on his body and we will have our Valentine's Day horse. There you have it, a DIY Valentine of a horse. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.